Hi there, if you'd like to be able to record your mobile phone or mobile device onto a video, then stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, part of your 5 a day for your YouTube goodness. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your mobile device, whether that is iOS, Apple, or an Android device, tablet, anything like that, on Mac or Windows. So let's head on over to the computer as I show you how. Okay, so if you are on Android and you're trying to record your screen, especially if it isn't for gaming, maybe you want to show how to do something on Android, you're going to have to get an app for that. Now, the software that I use is Screen Stream Mirroring. Now, this is a paid app, but they do have a free option. So just type in Screen Stream Mirroring and check out the free one if you don't want to pay for it. But I do recommend the paid version. That's the one that I use. It's quite inexpensive, about $6, £4, $3.99, and is very well worth it. So what you do is when you install the app, you basically type this URL into Chrome on your computer, making sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network. And then this video will then pop up onto your computer, and then you can record your screen from there. You do have various options on the app, so you can actually send it to Twitch, YouTube, YouStream, other servers like that, and you can even record to a local file on your phone itself and then take that from your phone over to your computer to add to your video. Now this will work on Windows and Mac, so it doesn't make a difference what operating system you're using on your computer. Now if you're on Mac and you happen to have a more recent iOS device, an iPhone 5 or 6 or a recent iPad, then it will have the Lightning connector. Now if you have this and you're on Mac, then you can easily record your devices. Just connect your iOS device to your Mac with the USB Lightning cable and you're good to go. Then all you have to do is open up QuickTime Player. So go File, New Movie Recording. Then from the drop down you select your iPhone here, and you can also select the iPhone for the audio as well. And then once you do that, it brings up your phone here. So you can open up any app that you want, and of course you can bring up my videos, why wouldn't you? And you can see them on there, and when you turn your phone landscape, it automatically turns with it. So you can have your phone portrait or landscape, and the app will actually record the screen in that way. Now to record your screen, you simply go down here, click on record, and then you can go through and watch anything that you want or record what you're doing on your screen on there. So you can show what's happening on the screen as you're doing it. And then when you're done, click on stop. Now one thing to make sure not to do is to turn your phone when you're recording, because it will not like it and your recording will stop automatically. Now if you're on an older iOS device, i.e. one with the wider connector, such as an iPad 2 or an iPhone 4 or older, then you will need software to be able to connect and record your screen. So what I recommend is Airserver. So that's at airserver.com, and the software will work on Mac or PC. It's $15, but it's a one-off license. You don't have to pay any more for that. You can also download a free 30-day license, which is the full software. So you can download that, then you open up your device, then swipe up on your device, and you will then see that you have, once you start Airserver on your computer, you will then connect on the same Wi-Fi. Again, you have to be on the same network, so you can connect to your computer from your iOS device. In this case, I'm using my iPad 2, so you can connect there, and then you'll see that I am mirroring the iPad on here. And then once that's connected, then I can go through and I can record anything on my iPad. And again, this is for any older devices that have the wide connector for your Apple product. Okay, so there you go. That's how you record your mobile device, whether it's Android or iOS, onto your Windows or Mac computer. As you can see, it does require a little bit of expenditure, but it's not that much for what you get. So if you are recording your mobile devices, your phone or your tablets or anything like that, on a regular basis. It's a one-time investment and it's worth its money. And if you're a gamer or you want to do some other things, you can see the advantages of having that software to get your videos up onto YouTube or other platforms. Now, if you're using YouTube for business, make sure to download my free report, the 10 things you need to know about YouTube for business. Inside, I give you the tips that you need to know and implement when you're using YouTube for your business to get more traffic and more customers into your business. Click that link right there or in the link in the top if you're on mobile to download the report right now. If you haven't done so already, make sure to click on the subscribe button right there or somewhere else on this page to get more videos like this every week. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed creating it for you. Once again, my name is David Walsh, gluten and sugar free.